You think you've seen adventure motorhomes before. 6 wheels, massive body, luxury inside. But this one rewrites every rule you thought was unbreakable. Meet the 2026 Toyota 6x6 EMBERHORN. Picture this, a monster-sized 6x6 adventure motorhome rolling toward you, aggressive stance, towering height, wide shoulders, the kind of vehicle that makes supercars look nervous and pickup trucks feel small. And inside it's not rough, not basic, not survival only. It's a full luxury living machine designed for people who want freedom without sacrifice, power without compromise, comfort without limits, and Toyota engineered it to feel unstoppable on-road, off-road, anywhere, everywhere, all at once. And here's the suspense. This isn't just about size or shock value. There are performance secrets, fuel efficiency surprises, and interior camping features hidden deep inside that most reviews don't talk about, and you need to see them before anyone else. Would you live inside a 6x monster if it replaced your house, your hotel, and your escape plan? Stay with me till the end, because what Toyota hid inside the EMBERHORN, from the bed system to the driving tech, changes everything you think you know about adventure vehicles. Behind the wheel, the EMBERHORN feels heavy but controlled, powerful yet smooth, the steering tight for its size, acceleration confident, cruising calm, fuel management surprisingly optimized for long-range travel, engineered to balance raw torque with intelligent efficiency, so every mile feels intentional, not wasteful. But here's where it gets crazy. There's something inside this motorhome that turns camping into a 5-star experience, and most people completely miss it. I saw one in motion, watched it crawl over terrain that would stop normal RVs cold, then parked it, stepped inside, and the feeling hit me. Silence, space, security, like the world outside just disappeared, and suddenly you're not surviving nature, you're commanding it. Now imagine this is yours. You wake up in the mountains, cook inside a fully equipped kitchenette, sleep in a real bed, not a fold-out compromise, shower, relax, then drive straight onto the highway like it's nothing. That's not camping, that's domination through design. Under the skin, the 2026 Toyota 6x EMBERHORN is built like a fortress with a brain, a high-output turbocharged hybrid powertrain, delivering an estimated 700 horsepower, and over 850 powertrain, delivering an estimated 700 horsepower, 4%, 150 powers Portress, 550 powers, 4%, distributed through a reinforced 6x drivetrain that sends power to all 6 wheels intelligently, adapting traction in real time, paired with a multi-mode suspension system capable of raising or lowering ride height for highways, rocks, sand, or snow, locking differentials front, mid, and rear, heavy-duty chassis reinforcement, advanced stability control tuned for extreme weight balance, and braking systems engineered to stop a fully loaded motorhome safely at speed. And despite its size, Toyota optimized fuel consumption using hybrid assist, regenerative braking, and intelligent power cycling, allowing long-distance travel without constant refueling, a rare balance of muscle and brains in the automotive world. This isn't just a vehicle, it's freedom, status, confidence, and capability wrapped into one rolling statement. When you drive it, people don't just look, they move out of the way. Now the technology. This is where the EMBERHORN separates itself from every other adventure motorhome on the planet. AI-assisted driving systems that predict terrain changes, adaptive cruise built for towing and heavy loads, 360-degree camera vision with off-road mapping overlays, satellite navigation for remote areas, smart energy management controlling interior power usage, climate zones, lighting and battery reserve, a next-gen infotainment system with voice control designed for drivers wearing gloves, over-the-air software updates, advanced driver assist safety, including collision avoidance, lane support. Even with massive width, night vision assistance for wildlife detection, an interior living system that integrates solar panels, battery storage, and silent electric mode, so you can camp without noise, fumes, or fear of power loss. This isn't a future car concept. This is future car technology delivered now in a real drivable machine. And here's the final reveal: the bed inside the EMBERHORN isn't just a bed, it's a modular sleep system with shock isolation, climate control, and hidden storage beneath. Meaning you can sleep comfortably while the vehicle rests on uneven terrain. No leveling blocks required. A detail so smart, so subtle, it proves this isn't the craziest adventure motorhome in America by accident. It's the craziest by design.